Good morning everyone. Okay, so we're back for another new video, okay? So we have another new reviewing for today's episode ngayon. So ngayon mag-review tayo ngayon ng dalawang custom figures from Godzilla vs. Kong in the film 2021 film. Okay. I have my custom Mechagodzilla 2021 and my other side is my custom Godzilla 2021 with heatwave version which I use for the bootleg. 2019 Godzilla. So, itong dalawang karakter na to, nasa 2021 movie silang Godzilla vs. Kong noong 2021. Okay. So, 2021, 11 years old pa lang ako noon. 11 years old ako noon. So, guys, yun no. Nung pinalabas to, March 31 kasi ito, sa September 1 ako. Okay, so mag-11 pa lang ako noon. Kasi bata pa kasi ako nung nagsimula nung ginawa yan. Nag-remake sila ng movies, ng artista. Okay, so yung Godzilla kasi is parang is yung very cooler talaga. Fully articulation talaga siya. Ito ay puro articulation. Yan, which I painted with yung butot kinulayan ko na rin Then ito yung mouth kinulayan ko na rin may color yung mouth niya. Very cool. Now, for the Godzilla 2021 now, magpapagsak yung camera. For 2021 now, okay, so here is my 2021, just fully articulation. And then, mouth is really hard to articulation. Pwede siyang nakanganga. So, pag magbubuga siya ng heat ray, ito ginagamit niyo. Lalabas niyo yung nakanganga siya. Very cool. That's my mouth. So yeah, I did never play that before. So yeah, I really hope that it is really cool. Talaga, really cool talaga. I like it. Very cool. Now for the comparison with my Kong 2024 but Playmates. So kaya mag-order ako ng 2021 version na Kong. Hindi ko pa, meron akong 2021 na Kong Kaso na puwersa ko. Kasi di nagagalaw yung dito Napuwersa ko yung 2021 version kong Kong. Ngayon first time ko lang talaga nakahawak ng 2021 figures. Buy from the seller, bought it. Many collectors talaga na nagsasabi na kinokolekta talaga nila itong Godzilla. Okay, so yun. Coming on next video. Okay, now I will produce my next video now, okay. So, unahin muna natin to, okay. First up is Mechagodzilla. Okay, so we use Mechagodzilla with red tails. So, ginagamit niya kasi may chainsaw siyang hawak. Nagiging drill to So, then, natiticulated yung paa. Magalaw din. Yung arms. Then, then, has no fully articulation. But Godzilla does. Okay. It does look like Godzilla but before. Okay, move on now to then. Let's go to Godzilla for articulation. Now, for Godzilla 2021, nagagalaw yung ulo. Pwede siyang itaas, pwede siyang nakababa, pwede siyang nakanganga pa ganun. Nakanganga, nakaganito, nakaganito, then nakaganito siya. Nakaganito siya. Nakaganito siya. Nakaganito siya. Then, okay. I like it. It's very cool. Nagustuhan ko. I like it. Okay, now for the fight now. Okay, mission complete now. Okay, pabutin natin ito sa 4,000 likes sana. Kumita sana ito na marami. See you there.